Hello everybody, this is Andrew from Design Point. Wanted to post another video. A lot of people commented on the last video that they'd like to see the output of the parts that I was about to sinter. So I'd like to show you guys some of those parts. Here's the lion statue. Printed at 50 micron. Came out really nice. Can't even see layer lines on his back. Here is that hinge. Came out really nicely. Try and see through those holes. See if they're nice and lined up or not. Yeah, they look pretty lined up. It's pretty good. And also the RF antenna was on that video. Sorry, the RF antenna fixture. Obviously this is not an RF antenna. Yeah, it looks great. The 50 micron really prints those curves well. Let's see what else we have here. This is my sample table. These are some parts in H13 tool steel. This is a cradle. We've got some bottle openers over here. Some grippers. These are for, end effectors for a robot arm. And this part I really love. This is a gear housing. Just love the geometry on this part. And everyone's favorite part, the impeller. Great example of how 3D printing can do complex geometry really well. And as I keep printing parts, I'll get back to you guys with some more cool stuff. If you like what you're seeing, like it, comment, and share it so that I know you guys are watching. And if I get a good response, I'll keep posting these videos with new cool parts as I come up with them. Thanks for watching.